That's my bike. I have a Animal Edwin's purple with the Edwin bar ends. Fit bars, stock, 8 high, 26 wide. I cut them. Odyssey monolever, medium, I think. Animal illegal cable, purple. Stock fork, Odyssey 8-kin dirt tire, white wall, and a pink rim. Fit Chase Hawk signature frame, trail. Stock cranks, and Animal pedals, Hamilton. They're the great ones. Odyssey Evo 2 brakes. Pretty good brakes. And the same tires in the back. Stock seat post. Well, it's integrated seat clamp, stock seat post and seat. And stock fit hub. 9-tooth, stock sprocket 25 tooth. It's not too loud, you know. It's not too loud. It's okay. And that's my bike.